Okay, I had submitted a help desk ticket about this to Gil, and I got a response from Ken. And the first thing he said was an institution's subscription doesn't always line up with the package listed in ALMA or any other ERM. You have to go through and selectively activate those titles manually. In contrast, sometimes there are titles that you have access to but are not available in the collection of titles listed in ALMA. You will either have to add those locally or find the Newsbank collection that has those particular titles listed. So what we're going to do is there is a newspaper here that we're supposed to have access to called Athens Daily Review, Texas. And when you search for that in ALMA, first I searched the institution zone and it didn't come up, and then next I looked for it in the network zone and it also said no records found. So the third thing I did is I looked in the community zone, and that will pull up the title, and you'll see that it's in Newsbank Access World News Research Collection. And it's also in the Newsbank American News product. And it's also in some other databases that we don't get. The database that we've been using is this one right here, like for Atlanta Journal-Constitution. It's the Newsbank Access World News. And you'll see right here that this one is coming from Newsbank Access World News Research Collection. So this title is actually one that we're supposed to get in our collection, but it's in a different collection. So what we're going to do is activate it by clicking Activate, and then we're going to click on the temple icon and click Edit Portfolio, then click Linking Information, and we already have parser parameters selected, and all we have to do is enter the jkey and look up the code, which is ADRB. We're going to save that, and then we're going to test to make sure that the link works by clicking Test Access. And that takes us directly to the resource in Newsbank. And I can get the MMS ID number by clicking back, clicking on the title, and it's right here on the record view page. And we're just going to copy and paste that into our spreadsheet. And so and you see it's the scientific notation again, and we'll just enter the number and shorten the decimal point. And so we're done with that one.